90's Christmas, but crafty. You'll need square paper, scissors, and a glue stick. Start by folding your square corner to corner to make a triangle. And then fold it in half again. Fold it in half again until you make a small triangle. Then we're going to take our scissors and on the raw edge of the paper, not the folded side, we're just going to cut out a little notch. This is just purely for decoration. Then what we're going to do is turn around and cut until just about half a centimetre to the end. And then turn it around and cut again until half a centimetre. Keep repeating this process until you get to the end. Leaving a small square in the centre just so that you can glue it. Carefully unfold the paper. Gently shape it so it opens evenly, but don't worry about it if it's a little bit off. You can adjust it as you go. I like to press down firmly just so that the folds unfold and it makes it just that little bit easier. This is the hardest part of the tutorial, so please don't worry. If it rips, that's fine, we can start again. Now do the same with the rest of your paper. Take each one, unfold them and flatten them out, put them to the side, ready for the gluing stage. So now we're ready to glue. On the first one, only glue on the 4 corners. Take the second piece of paper and lie it on top. I matched up my folds here, but you don't have to. It's completely optional. Press firmly so that the glue sticks them. And then on your second piece of paper, glue only in the middle. Add your third piece and press the centre firmly. Repeat this process until you have done every piece of paper. Now I'm just taking 2 scrap pieces of paper to make loops for the edges so that we can actually hang them. Just take your glue, make a loop and stick it into the side. And there we have it, your nostalgic paper Christmas decoration. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more.